Click on the link below to get price. The Gskill Ripjaws S5 series DDR5 RAM is a remarkable component for anyone looking to enhance their computing performance, particularly for gaming or intensive multitasking. With a substantial capacity of 96GB, 2x48GB, this memory kit strikes a perfect balance between high performance and ample storage, ensuring that even the most demanding applications run smoothly. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the standard DIMM form factor. The sleek design of the Ripjaws S5, featuring a low-profile heat spreader, makes it compatible with various builds, even those with large CPU coolers. The RAM features a speed of 5,200 metric tons per second, which is a significant upgrade over its DDR4 predecessors, enabling faster data transfer rates and improved overall system responsiveness. The performance improvement is especially noticeable in memory-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and high-end gaming. Another standout feature is the support for Intel XMP 3.0, which allows users to easily overclock the RAM to optimal settings without needing to tweak BIOS settings manually. This feature is beneficial for enthusiasts who want to maximize performance with minimal effort. The RAM runs cool and stable, even under heavy loads, which is essential for maintaining system longevity and reliability. In benchmarks, the Gskill Ripjaws S5 demonstrates impressive results, with significant gains in both synthetic and real-world tests. Users can expect noticeably faster load times in games and improved performance in multitasking scenarios, thanks to the high capacity and speed of the RAM. While the price point may be higher than standard DDR4 options, the investment is justified for those seeking future-proofing and peak performance. Overall, the Gskill Ripjaws S5 series DDR5 RAM is a high-quality product that delivers on its promises, making it an excellent choice for power users and gamers alike.